guys, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you are all doing well. Oh my goodness, I cannot believe this guy just started his car beside me. Anyhow, I'm in the city with my friend and we are going to be doing a little bit of shopping, and we're also going to be going to the Weihnachtsmarkt, or the Christmas market. I just wait until this guy drives off. He is totally ruining my vlog, and like, this is my first day out. So anyways guys, I'm standing in front of Chanello. I don't know if you can really see. I don't think so. Oh, now a little bit. So I'm gonna go inside there as well as I want to find something from Louis Vuitton. So let's go shopping.
Oh my god.
Ja.
Ist das eine Pochette oder das gehört zur Tasche?
I think, ich denke, das ist eine Brosche.
Ja,
Ja,
geile
das ist geile Brosche. Und die Tasche finde ich auch so geil.
Ja, der kostet 1000.
Viel zu teuer.
This is what I like.
The bags are really, really cool this season.
Oh ja, mein Bag. Wieso ist meine Tasche schief? Siehst du?
Aus der Kollektion. Ah, nee, nee. Nee, gar nicht. Ja, es ist jetzt auch, ich muss ehrlich sagen, durch Weihnachten ist.
Yummy. I love Christmas shopping. We are cold and hungry. So now we're gonna get something to eat. It's actually -2 degrees. Can you believe that? So I'll catch up with you guys in the restaurant. So yummy. Habe ich nicht gefilmt?
Nein.
Currently at Chanel counter, looking at all the beautiful eyeshadows and the Christmas look, and I'm still getting something from here. So pretty. Oh, I love these colors.
I like that.
So pretty. I like that color too. So now we are in DM. So guys, this is what I'm looking for. It's a nail polish remover. It's really, really good. You need to check it out. I've been using it for years. So guys, I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Now it's time for the haul and unboxing. I went to DM. DM is our drugstore here in Germany, and I picked up from Ebelin the nail polish remover. I've been using this for many years. I love it. It is acetone free, and it doesn't have that horrible smell to it. And for less than €2, I think this was, or about €2, I think it is absolutely fabulous. And I also featured this also in the vlog as well. So I love this. The next thing I picked up was from Kiehl's. I ran out of this. This is the Ultra Facial Cleanser. You guys remember the first time I got introduced to this, I went to the Kiehl's boutique in Frankfurt, and since I've tried it, I have not stopped. And it is a repurchase for me, and it's also suitable for all skin types as well. So I love this. While I was in Frankfurt, the next place that I had to hit up was the makeup counter. So I stopped off at Chanel, and they have these kind of Christmas ornaments on the bag, which I thought is very cute. And the sales associate was absolutely amazing. She gave me some really beautiful gifts from Chanel. This is the Chanel No. 5 Eau de Parfum. That's inside. It's a mini one, and it's really cute. And I also got a miniature Chanel lipstick. It's a Rouge Allure. Actually, it's a matte lip color, and it's really cute. Like, how cute is that, guys? So cute. So I can't wait to try out this color. So it's the Rouge Allure Ink, and it's a matte liquid lip color in the number 152. So the next items that she also gave me, I got so many sample, is Coco Mademoiselle, and this one is the moisturizing body lotion that comes in this one. And I love getting these kind of samples because they're really good for traveling. So this is just perfect to just have in my bag. So the two items that I bought, so the first one that I picked up is the Chanel hand cream. I have been using this for many years, but the packaging has now changed, which I like. I think the packaging is really cute. So let's have a look at it. So it looks like this little egg. And you just squeeze it and it just comes out. And the hand cream, I swear by it. And yeah, I kind of miss the old packaging too because I'm kind of nostalgic. But this one is very modern, so I love this one too. And one honorable mention, I picked up a single eyeshadow from Chanel, and this is from their Christmas collection as well. And I have been looking for a brown single shadow for the entire time. Like, I've been doing YouTube videos. I've tried so many. I've tried Burberry, I've tried Catrice, I've tried other Chanel eyeshadows, YSL, tons. You've seen my hauls, you know what they're like. And I finally found the perfect single eyeshadow in brown for my skin tone. Hallelujah. So this is number 58 in the brown, and this is the packaging, classic Chanel. And this is the other packaging. You guys are familiar with it, but this time the logo is in gold, which I think is so cool. Very different from the white ones that I have. So the eyeshadow comes with a little brush, and this is what it looks like. Now this is perfection. If you can still get it, I suggest you get it. And I'm telling you why you should get it. First of all, the consistency of this shadow is extremely buttery, and it is very, very opaque. And it doesn't go on like, I don't know, like some dusty eyeshadow. It's just perfect. I like the creamy texture of this eyeshadow, and like I said, it is perfection. I'm thinking if I should get a backup. I don't want to do that because it takes me a long time anyway to finish an eyeshadow, but when one formulation is as good as this, you need a backup. So it's so pretty. I don't even want to mess it up, but if you're my skin tone or darker, this shows up amazing for a brown smoky eye. And if you are lighter, this one also works fabulous as well. So I think this is a must-have for all of us in our makeup collection. So yes, I am telling you to go out and treat yourself to this Chanel eyeshadow. Onto the luxury accessories that I picked up in Frankfurt. So I stopped off at Louis Vuitton, and my favorite sales associate was there, and she was happy to see me. I was happy to see her, and she just showered me with all these samples, like a bag full of samples. Yeah, so she's really, really nice, and I'm so grateful to have these because it gives me the opportunity to try out all the scents. And I do want to go back and buy, you know, a full bottle and get my name engraved on the bottle as well. This is what I picked up. This is the beautiful Christmas packaging, and comes in this box. Oh, what was that? I don't know. I think this is a gift card somehow, and it just fell out. So I love the beautiful white ribbons. I wish that this was a permanent thing because I just think it's so cute. White ribbons with gold writing, so me. So let's open it together, lovelies. So this is the dust bag. Can you guess what I picked up? Uh-oh. I picked up the mini pochette in Damier Ebelin, and it's absolutely gorgeous. I love it. And it has Vivienne and the Eiffel Tower and the car. Oh, so cute. And the back of it is pretty plain. This collection was sold out pretty quickly at our boutique because I remember my sales associate showing this to me, and there was one lady behind me and she said, if you're not gonna get that, I will totally get it. I had originally planned on getting the passport holder, but it was completely sold out, which is not a huge deal because I want to get a passport holder anyway where I can monogram the front. So yeah, it's something I can do in the future, so I'm not bummed out about it. But this one is really cute. I also had the mini pochette a long time ago, and I gave it away. Yeah. But now I'm happy that it has rejoined my collection with the beautiful illustration on the front. And yeah, this one is definitely a keeper because it was so hard to come by, and I love the Eiffel Tower on it because, you know, I love Paris. So yeah, on the inside it's a red interior, and you guys know the Damier Ebene is still my favorite print. If you watch one of my first YouTube videos with my Louis Vuitton unboxing, you heard me say it like 10 years ago, and I'm saying it 10 years later. I still love it. So yeah, I'm so excited to have this in my collection, and this one was also made in France. Woohoo! So last but certainly not least, I stopped off at Dior, and this is the bag that they gave me. And oh, she sprayed it with perfume. It smells so good. I should have asked her what the scent was. To reveal this little box. So cute, right? So let's open it together, lovelies. Oh, I'm so excited. So on the inside, it also comes with like tissue paper with the Dior sticker. So I'll just remove that as well. Or you know what? I just take the dust bag out. So cute. To reveal my new Dior earrings. J'adore. It's so cute. This earring has been on my wish list for like 2 years. I have my wish list saved on my favorites on my phone, and every time I get something crossed off the wish list, then I just delete the photo. And at the time, I think I didn't want to buy it because it was a little bit hyped in the beginning. And here we have the bottom of the earring, and this is like a little bee or dragonfly, I'm not really sure, but it's very, very cute. Yeah, I love this. It's like a little bee, and yeah, I love it with the huge star. But at the time I didn't want to get it because I think, you know, sometimes you jump on items and it's just overhyped, and I think it was totally worth the wait because I absolutely love it, and I can't wait to wear it with my next top, you know, the one that I got from Zara with the earrings and my saddlebag. So cute. My vintage saddlebag. So cute. So anyways, guys, that was it for today's unboxing. I hope the video wasn't too long for you, and yeah, I will see you in the next video. Happy holidays. Mwah.